Welcome. In today's video, I'll show how to hide link previews on Facebook when using the web version on your PC. This is part of a newer update, and it's especially useful if you want a cleaner browsing experience or more control over what you see in your feed. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, look for Display and Accessibility and click on it. This section contains different settings related to how Facebook looks and behaves for you. Next, go ahead and enter Accessibility Settings. This is where Facebook groups together features that help customize your experience even further. Now, find and click on Keyboard and Assistive Technology Settings. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's exactly where we need to be for this update. Inside this section, look for the option called Show Previews of Links. This controls whether Facebook displays preview cards when links appear in your feed. Click on that option, and you'll see different choices. To hide link previews, simply select Don't Show Preview. After selecting it, make sure to click on Save to apply the changes. And that's it. From now on, Facebook will no longer display link previews, giving you a simpler and less cluttered feed. If you ever want to switch it back, you can follow the same steps and choose to show previews again. Give it a try and see how it improves your browsing experience.